In this video, I'm covering 5 icing mistakes to avoid and giving you practical tips to ensure that your next buttercream cake is a success. Be sure to stay till the end where I share a bonus tip. If you're new to my channel and want to learn more about cake decorating, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Now let's get started. There are times when you'll need your icing to be very thick. This is the case if you're piping buttercream flowers. However, your icing should never be runny. When working with buttercream, strive to achieve a nice medium consistency in which your spatula glides smoothly through the icing and the icing has some thickness to it, but never runny. Next, when you color your icing, never use liquid food coloring. The reason why is that it contains water, and this water can greatly loosen your icing, making it impossible to ice a cake or pipe decorations with. Gel food coloring is the best choice and is becoming more and more accessible. You can also use oil-based coloring as well. Have you ever eaten red, black, purple, or pink icing that's had a bitter taste to it? This is a direct result of overcoloring. Avoid using too much coloring, especially red, black, purple, and pink. The best approach is to color the icing 1 to 2 drops at a time, stopping occasionally to taste the icing. Now don't lick the spatula, of course, but tasting by dipping a clean utensil or toothpick into the icing, then discarding it works best. Icing of any color will slightly darken as it sits over time. Are you enjoying this video and learning something new? If so, go ahead and hit the like button now. I always tell my students there is improvisation in cake decorating, and this piping bag is missing something. If you're just getting started, you may want to always prep your decorating bag with a coupler. A coupler allows you to easily switch piping tips if you change your mind about your cake design. This saves you time and keeps you from having to create multiple bags containing the same color. So, don't skip the coupler. If you're planning to use a variety of icing colors on your cake, you should definitely listen up to this next step. When coloring your icing, make sure that you color enough icing to finish your cake. Avoid coloring small quantities of icing. It can be very difficult to match icing colors if you happen to run out. It's better to have too much colored icing than not enough. This is whipped icing. Meringue buttercream is very similar. These cakes are covered in American buttercream and white chocolate ganache. American buttercream and ganache crusts over or hardens without refrigeration and are more durable when covering a cake with fondant. Whipped icings simply aren't strong enough to use under fondant. Swiss meringue buttercream will harden when it's refrigerated, but you may want to avoid whipped icings if you're in a high humidity climate, unable to work in a temperature-controlled environment, or working with fondant. In general, have a basic understanding of what icings work best for your cake design. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more guidance along your cake decorating journey. As always, thanks for watching.